Igor demonstration about Iroha Connect API. We had a request from Yuri to provide an ability to receive changes in almost real time about Iroha transaction statuses, Iroha block statuses. So we find that Cloud Native Computing Foundation had Cloud Events specification that's about events and communication about these events in distributed cloud native systems. So we decided to adopt the specification. Right now it is not fully adopted. We just try to align with it as much as possible. And the functionality we will provide for maintenance purposes, like Connect API, will be marked as unstable during 2.0 release, and we will try to make it back compatible. And if we will change something, we will change also our client libraries, but it will be developed according to the specification after the first release. Yeah, I think that's all. So Igor, if you are ready, you can start sharing the screen, and we will see the demonstration.
So this demonstration will be mostly for the CLI, but this functionality is available from the Iroha client library, so it should be available to all other clients, not the CLI. So we can see that the configuration is successfully loaded, and we have started 4 peers. So let's see if we can set up a connection. So for this, we will use our Iroha client CLI. So with maintenance connect, and then we specify the entity types, which for the start, let's connect and listen to all the entities and to all types of the events. So yes, we see that we have successfully connected to Iroha first peer. So the connection is established and we have an event listener. So then, yep. Then let's post a simple transaction. So basically, like the most simple transaction here is to add a new domain. So domain at let's have a domain of Wonderland. And so simply we add the domain. We see that the blocks are discussed and stored. And as the creation of domain creates a new transaction, we see that we have several transaction statuses reported here. So the transaction was created, and then the transaction was updated. So this information is mainly for debug purposes. Later, we can, like from the Iroha client lib library, it can be easily deserialized into the structures. So yes, so we submit another transaction, we see that we also receive these events. And basically, let's check out a filter for the events. Let's connect, but not to all events, but only to updated events. So yes. And again, we connect to Iroha peer 1. We have established a connection to this peer. And we can submit another transaction. And let's see, we receive only the updated transaction here. So this is pretty much it for the CLI. Like right now, not all of the events are reported, but I guess we'll gather use cases and decide which of the events should be our most priority to be reported. So yes, this is pretty much it for the demonstration. Thanks.